everyone. Today I wanted to show you a French vending machine, and we are at the station of Chateau. And I really wanted to show you this because it's quite cool. So I'm gonna pay with this €2 coin. So stick it in there, and then but first I'm gonna select what we want, and I'm gonna get, where is it? I'm gonna get this Haribo Happy Life. So it's just like a Haribo mix. And no, I don't want some weird discount offer. And I'm gonna tap the pay button. Let's see. Okay, now it's ready to pay, so let's put this in. And then watch this. There's a little elevator that travels up to the top to get our Haribo Happy Life. So that's quite cool. I have never seen that before in a vending machine. And look at that. This will magically open up. There we go. And here is our candy that we got from a French vending machine.